trying to get storage everywhere. It's kind of a mess. But anyway, here is my room.
Whoa! Oh, I recognize this. Nice.
Nice. It's something. It's not the cleanest, but I like to keep it in shape.
Oh. I recognize some of the stuff from your videos. Oh wait, is this the window that we see like that creepy guy?
Yeah, but wait a minute. Hey, Scram! Scram! God comes there every day. I mean, he's my best bud, but he's friggin' annoying sometimes.
I thought I was your best bud. I mean, you gotta admit, this is so cool. Look, you have a microphone, a grenade. Why do you have a grenade?
Put that down. It's a very dangerous weapon. Good son.
Well, why would you even have a grenade in the first place?
Confidential.
Confidential? What do you mean confidential?
Minding your business much?
Nobody has a grenade in their house. Nobody. Alright, look. Grenades aside, do you want to maybe do some kind of sketch? I mean, I have my GoPro and stuff in here. Do you want to maybe do something?
Well, what did you have in mind?
I don't. I mean, they're like, your DeLorean, for instance. The Lego DeLorean, you know? Remember this? Like the whole, whatever the stop motion thing was, you know? Or like the trucks, for instance, you know, we could just, I don't know, like,
I guess.
Frenchie?
Yeah.
When has that been there? I can't exactly reach it.
Whoa. Oh, dude! It's like the things from the show, the Sherlock.
No, I'm pretty sure it's gotta be Bill Nye. Pretty sure.
Nah, it's like kind of detective-esque. And they're the detective.
No. Doctor Who, this is a sonic screwdriver. Do you know what this does?
Are you sure it isn't Back to the Future?
I mean, like, this could be real. We gotta... No, seriously, do you even know what this does?
It's like a screwdriver. Do you like screw in stuff?
No, this is sonic. It's in the name. I mean, for all we know, it could be real, but...
I mean, I find it unlikely because it's in plastic. It's like a kid's toy.
Well, plastic or not, it would be a pretty cool prop, so... It would be pretty cool for a skit, right?
Yeah.
Now, where's the light? Oh, here it is. It's real! We need to tell people right now. We need to tell people, okay? This is big, alright? I have my GoPro. I can use my GoPro. Hold on. Alright, hold on. And there we go. Alright, guys, we made a big discovery. What are you doing? Why would you do that?
Don't you understand? If people know about this, then they can use it as a weapon against us. They could come to our house and take it for their own.
It's a scientific instrument, not a weapon, okay? I think we'll be fine.
A scientific instrument with incredible power. And with great power comes great
okay, I know the quote, alright? Okay, everybody's heard that cliche. Okay, well then, what can we test it on?
Well, why don't we mess around with it a bit?
I don't get it.
I have an idea.
What? Oops.
chump.
Chump. Nice. Oh wait, we can already remotely turn it on. Shoot. Do you know if it might work on humans?
I don't think you.
Let's find out. Frenchie? How do you feel?
Oh. Works great.
You know, we've tested pretty much everything in the house. What if we were to test out a sonic screwdriver on a sonic screwdriver?